And now we're going to talk about repetition in making balloons. Now, once you learn some of the basic bubbles, the basic moves, you'll find that in order to make all sorts of different creations, really it's endless. It all is a matter of repetition. How many half-inch twists you do or inch twists you do, and you basically do the same thing over and over again, just in different ways to create different creations. Now, before I created the arms here for the top of the teddy bear, and now I'm going to create the feet by doing exactly the same thing that I did by doing the arms. I'm going to take another, twist off another bubble. This time it's going to be more like an inch instead of a half inch. And I'm going to leave a little bit of a space here at the end here to be able to lock it in place to create the tail, but I'm creating another 2 to 3 inch segment here, folding that down together, and then folding that in place, and that creates the legs. So the move to create this, to create the legs as well as the arms was exactly the same. And you'll find that as you're making balloons that you're doing the same thing over and over and over again, which makes it a lot easier than it really appears.